Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how we do sum if, and how we do sum ifs where we have multiple conditions. So I'll start with simple sum, how we do the sum. So you can see the alt plus equal. If we apply this alt plus equal, this automatically give the sum. If you want to do it manually, sum function bracket and then talking about the range, so we'll select this range, bracket close, enter. This will also give the sum. You got it? I hope it's very easy, right? I'm moving to sum if function, which is very useful in advanced Excel whenever you are doing any kind of reporting, and it is used in your daily reporting, right? So basically, how does it work? It's do the sum based on some condition, right? So in this video we will give one example. So you can see these are the serial number, city, and this is the sales amount. Now we wanted to do the sum of the sales where the serial number is this, right? I'm doing here. So what is the what is the syntax? So range, criteria, and sum range. I'll apply in front of you, equal sum if, bracket open. This is talking about range of what? I mean, where this serial number can be found. So this is the range. So I'm selecting entire row. So if in case some data added in these columns later, so this automatically calculate the range. So I'll just selecting this entire range, although you can select this range also. But if in case there is any data is getting added, this will not work, right? Because this we will have to freeze this particular column. So I am not making it more complicated. I'll just select the entire column here, right? Comma, criteria. What is the criteria? What On which criteria this sum needed? So we are saying in this column wherever you find this criteria, it means this serial number. So we'll select this, comma, or maybe you can double quote, you can type this serial number as well. But since we have given the criteria here, so this is how you can give this reference number. Okay, reference of particular cell, comma, sum range is talking about the amount, where is the amount can be found. So again I'm selecting entire column here, right? Bracket close. So you can see 5185 is the sales amount. So if I filter this 996 2596, this serial number 25996, if I do the sum, you can see 5185 is the number which is calculated here automatically. I am just removing the filter, right? Okay, so if you want, if I copy this serial number here, because we want the sum of this serial number, then you can see 2533. So where we have in these three cells, we have 29, okay, no, 601. So we have only two at two places, 2361. No, so I am copying 7601. So this is this here, and 7601, this one, this plus this plus this, 2533. So this is giving here. You can replace any other serial number, right? I'll give you the based on some if any of the city, but we don't have any duplicate city here, so there is no use of it. But we will learn in another video, in SUMIFS video. So whenever we have single criteria, we use sum if function, right? But if in case there is multiple criteria, on those basis we wanted to do the sum, right? I'm coming here, I'll explain this how does this work, right? Okay, so now we want to do the sum where the serial number is this, and the city of sale is this, right? So I'll apply sum ifs function, sum if. Now we will select this one because we are talking about multiple criteria. So in this, the syntax is little change. In this case, we are asking sum if sum range first. Sum range means where we have the sales amounts. So I am selecting the entire column again, so that if in case any other value added here later, so this automatically will calculate it. Comma criteria range 1. So what is the criteria range 1? So we are looking for serial number. So we will select this column here, comma criteria. What is the criteria? Criteria, in this column we are looking for this serial number. Okay, now comma criteria range 2. What is the criteria range 2? So we are looking for city here. Where can we find the city? In this column. So we are selecting this entire column here, comma what criteria range criteria 2. What is the criteria? We are looking for Mumbai, bracket close. You can see we can add multiple condition. If in case we wanted to calculate for some particular date also, we can do that as well. But now for now we are doing it only for two criteria, bracket close, enter. So 1270 is the number. If I do the manually just to show if this is correct or not, so we are looking for 25996, 25996 this, and the second condition was Mumbai. So this is this Mumbai and this one 1270. This is the this was automatically calculated here. I am removing the filter again. Let's do it again for any, let's take any other code here. This one, let's suppose. Okay, so sum ifs, we are taking two conditions. Sum range, what is the sum range? We are selecting this column, comma criteria range 1. So we are looking for serial number. Where can we find the serial number? In this column A, comma what are we looking? I mean we are looking for this serial number, comma now it is talking about criteria range 2. What is the criteria range 2? We are looking for city, and where can we find the city? In column B, comma so and what is the condition here? Condition is this Bangalore city, bracket close, enter. So it is giving 2. The reason is both the condition are not meeting in both in any of the record. So if I apply the filter, we are looking for 7601, 7601. This is, but you can see this is Ranchi and in Lucknow, nothing in Bangalore. So let's suppose, let's copy and change. So what was the Ranchi? This one. If I replace the value here, then it automatically calculates 6, because now both the condition are match in one record, in this record only. That is why it is giving 632 number. So I hope you have understood this function, and this is very useful in advanced Excel. You can use in your reporting, in your any kind of leadership reporting, and this is very useful. So thank you. Keep watching, like and subscribe this channel for and to look to see another video for on such topics.